Alright, this week we're going to make a Taylor Swift bust that I've already 3D printed and gotten primed and ready to go, and also a Bulldog bust that I've gotten primed and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up and we'll get to this. Okay, now that we're all set up, first thing we'll do is start with the Bulldog. So we want to do the Bulldog itself in gray. So I'm going to add a little gray to my airbrush. And I'm going to go ahead and start painting the areas that I want gray. And at this point, you don't have to worry about being messy or whatever. We're just getting the paint on, blocking out the areas, so to speak. And the reason I prime them in gray and then dry brush in white is to get the shadows and natural weathering in there. This way it helps me out in the long run. And you don't have to put a real thick layer, just enough to cover it, because you want that highlighting under it to show through. So he's going to have a shirt on with his legs. Now get his head. And it's okay if you go over, put paint in the area where you don't want that color. We can always fix it later. Right now, like I said, we're just trying to block out each area. Get the basic paint job down. This way we know what we're working with. And like I said, you don't have to worry about getting thick coats on, because you want those undertones to show through. Makes it look a little more realistic, in my opinion. If there's any other ideas or tips anyone has, go ahead, leave them in the comments. Like I've stated before, I want this to be a community where we can all share tips and tricks and help each other out. See? I'm going to call the gray on that done. So next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and empty out my airbrush. Just give it a quick rinse with water, alcohol, whichever you're using. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix up some flesh tone, and I'll be right back. Well, here's the final reveal. Here's Taylor. And here's the Bulldog. Thank you for joining us, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. It really helps us out since we're a new channel and all. We appreciate all your guys' support and everybody watching these. Till next time, go build something.